Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to do this video. I've been waiting for my iPad and my watch to come in all week, profusely tracking my UPS notifications and stuff. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the second generation 2020 release. I got mine in 256 gigs, and this is cellular as well. I do have AT&T connected to this guy, and I also purchased the Apple Pencil, so this is the one that's compatible with the new Pros. So I'm super excited. You'll also see some accessories that I purchased from Amazon, and I'll link everything down below. So I personally purchased mine from Best Buy. I didn't realize when I was in the market for a new iPad that this model just came out like 3 months ago, so it was just a little bit hard to get a hold of. I was trying to decide between the regular ones, the Pros, but all in all, I chose to go with a Pro, and I got it on Best Buy. I paid for the shipping and it took about a week to get here. Apple's time was I think it was like 2 weeks. So I ended up upgrading to the 256 and getting it a little bit quicker. But personally, I'm using it for work. So I run a small business, so things like Square point of sales, Square appointments, GoodNotes, Procreate, all that stuff. And Lightroom to edit pictures, for content creation, all that kind of stuff is what I wanted it for. So the 256 upgrading to that was actually a good trade-off because I have more storage and more content to create. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I'm so excited. guys is my iPad unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and kind of got a sneak peek as to how I'll be using it, the apps that I am starting off with, and I'm so excited to just play around with this. This opens up so much in terms of content creation. Today I downloaded lettering stuff, which catch me being a calligraphy expert in no time, but definitely seems like it's going to be an outstanding investment. If you guys want more videos on this, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. Again, since I am utilizing this more for small business, content creation, that kind of I do see a lot of people that upload videos using this for school and that are students and productivity and that kind of stuff, which I do enjoy thoroughly, but it is a different take utilizing this for small business purposes. So if you guys would like to see that, leave me some of your questions, ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.